Hello everyone and welcome to the series of lectures on Python programming language offered by Undergrad Academy. In this tutorial we will be learning at the list of Python. So let's have a look at our today's agenda. We'll first of all look at what is list in Python, the examples of list in Python and the methods of the lists. So what are lists in Python? List is a collection which is ordered and changeable, allows duplicate members, and you can also include integers, floating points, strings in one list. Like in other programming languages, you don't have an, an opportunity, you don't have this option to include a different data types in one list, but in Python, list is obviously equivalent to an array, but in Python we call it as a list, not an array. And Python list, we have this option to add different data types in just one list. So here is an example of list. List 1 is equals to apple, banana, cherry. This is how we can declare a list, and in order to print the list we'll just pass this list function, this list in this list data type into print, and this is how we can get the output, that is apple, banana and cherry. So these are the list methods or function, that is append, which adds an element at the end of the list. Clear removes all the elements from a list. Copy returns a copy of the list. Count returns the number of elements with a specified value. Extend add the numbers of a list or any iterable to the end of the current list. Index returns the index of the first element with a specified value. Insert adds an element at the specified position. We will give the position in our function. Pop removes the elements at the specified position. If not given, obviously it will remove the last element. Removes the item with the specified value. Reverses the order of the list, and sorts the list. So here we have the indexing in Python list. Indexing means to know where the elements exist. So here I have declared a list 1, that is apple, banana and cherry. In order to print it, we will pass the list function and its index. So I want to know the index of banana. So I want to know what element is at the index 1. So I'll print it and I'll get the output banana. In order, we can also have the negative indexes, but we will start from -1. But if we are talking about the positive indexes, it starts from 0, like apple is at 0, banana is at 1 and cherry is at 2. But in order to get the negative indexes, the cherry is at -1, banana is at -2 and apple is at -3. So we want to know that what element is at that index -1. So we'll print it and we'll get the answer cherry. We have the slicing in Python list. I have declared a list apple, banana, cherry and mango, and we will slice the list from 1 to 3. So obviously our list is starting from 0, that is apple is at 0 index, banana is at 1, cherry is at 2 and mango is at 3. So I want the list from 1 to 3, so I will get banana and cherry. Why? Because it will exclude the third index, the element present at third index. It will give the 1 and 2. So it means that if we want the element from 1 to 2, 1 colon 2, if we write 1 colon 2, it will give us the element present at 1. It will not give the element present at 2. So similarly here, it will not give the element present at index 3, it will just give the element present at index 1 and 2. So obviously we will get banana and cherry in our output. So here's how we can change the item in Python list. I have declared a list that is apple, banana, cherry and mango, and I want to change the element that present at index 2 to kiwi. So I will print it. So I will type it like list 1 and will pass the index, and I want to change the element present at index 2 to kiwi. So it will change it like apple is at index 0, banana is at index 1 and cherry is at index 2. So it will change the word or the item or the element cherry to kiwi. So this is how we can change the item in Python list, and output will be apple, banana, kiwi and mango. So let's try out all the other methods in our PyCharm. So here I have opened my PyCharm and I have declared a list 1 that is equivalent to apple, banana and cherry. So let's print this list. Let's run this. So here I have this list printed, that is apple, banana and cherry. So let's remove this from comment and include this comment here. Okay, so here I am again declaring the same list again, and I am going to print the element present at index 1 and the element present at index -1. So here I have banana present at the element at the index 1, and here I have another element that is cherry present at index -1. So let's remove this 2 from the comment and include here. Okay, so here I'm going to slice this list from 1 to 3. So let's run this. So here I got banana and cherry, but I didn't get the mango. Here apple is at index 0, banana is at index 1, and cherry is at index 2, and mango is at index 3. If I'm slicing it from 1:3, so it will give banana and cherry only because they are at index 1, index 2, but it won't give the element present at index 3. It will exclude this last element. Okay, so let's remove this 2 from the comment. So let's run this. Here I am changing the element of at present at index 2 to kiwi. So it will give the I'm sorry, I didn't print the list. So let's print the list. So I get apple, banana, kiwi, and mango, and this cherry is being replaced or changed with kiwi. Let's remove this comment here too, and so here I am going to check the index of the cherry, like at what index the word cherry is present, as it is present on index 0, 1, 2. So it is present on index 2. Let's run this. So here we get 2, the index where the cherry is present. So here I have written some more methods and functions in list. I have declared a list that is apple, banana, cherry, mango, and cherry. So I have declared cherry twice. So in order to find out how many times this cherry is present in the list, we will say this list.count. So it will return the number of the times the cherry is present in the list. So let's run this. So it says 2. It means that cherry is present in the list twice. So let's change it to banana. So now it will tell us how many times banana is present in the list. So banana is present just only once in the list. So here I have declared a list 1 that is equivalent to some integer value, that is 361748, but it isn't in the sorted order. So in order to sort this list in ascending order, we will say list1.sort. So let's print this list1, and now it is sorted in ascending order. It is 1 3 4 6 7 8. So let's uncomment this. So if you want to reverse the list, so we'll use list1.reverse function, and let's print the list. So it will reverse this list like 847847163. So it will reverse this list into this by using this reverse function. Let's uncomment this. Okay, so if you want to remove all the elements, if you want to clear the list, and if you want to remove all the elements, you will use this function list1.clear. So let's run this. So here I have got none, or you can also have the empty list as well in using this list1.clear function. So now let's have a look at adding items to a list. So we can add items to a list using append and insert. Using append, we will say that list1 is equals to apple, banana, cherry, and mango, and we want to add an item to the end of the list. By default, you will say list1.append, let's say orange, and let's print this, and the output will be apple, banana, cherry, mango, and orange. So it will append this orange by default at the end of the list. Another method to add items in the Python list is using insert. By using this insert, you can actually tell the index at which, the exact index at which you want to add that particular element. So we'll say list1.insert 2, orange. So it will add this orange to a particular index, that is 2. So let's print this, and we'll get apple, banana, orange, cherry, and mango. So we know that apple is at index 0, banana is at index 1, and cherry is at index 2. So before this cherry and after this banana, this orange will be inserted, and cherry, the index of cherry will be changed to 3. So let's try them out in our PyCharm. So here I have opened my PyCharm, and I have declared this list, that is apple, banana, cherry, and mango. I want to add this orange. I want to append this orange at the end of the list. So I'll just say list1.append orange, and let's print this list. So let's run this program. So I get apple, banana, cherry, mango, and orange. So see that orange is appended at the end of the list. But if I want to add this orange at a specific position, so I will have to use this function, that is insert, and I will tell at which index I want to add it, that is 2, and I will say what element I want to insert in this list. So let's run this. So see that this orange is now being inserted to the index 2 because I wanted to insert it to a particular index, to a specific index, that is 2. So now it has replaced this cherry and send it to the index 3, and it has been now inserted to index 2. So let's talk about removing items from a list. So items can be removed using remove, del, and pop. These are three functions that can be used to remove items from a Python list. So here I am using remove. So let's declare a list that is apple, banana, cherry, and mango, and we'll say that remove and the element. We'll pass the element in the remove. So list1 dot remove and the parameter, that is banana, the element, the string I want to remove. So we will print it and we'll see that apple, banana, and apple, cherry, and mango, and the banana will be removed because of using the remove function. So another method that we can use is using del. So in order to remove the element from a particular index, we will use del list1 and that index. So I want to remove the element from index 0, that is apple, so we will say del list1 and the index will be 0. So out in the output we will get banana, cherry, and mango, and see that apple is removed from the list. And the last method to remove the element from the list is using pop. The pop method removes the specified index or the last index item if index is not specified. So if we say that list1.pop3, so it will remove the element from the third index, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. So element mango is at index 3, so obviously we will see in the output that apple, banana, and cherry, and the mango that is present at the index 3 is now being removed. If we want to specify the last item, that is that if we want to specify the index, it will remove the last item. Okay, so let's try them out in our PyCharm. So here I have declared a list that is apple, banana, cherry, and mango, and I want to remove this banana from the list, so I will say list1.remove banana. So let's run this. So see that in the output, apple, banana, and apple, cherry, and mango are present, and the banana is removed. So let's say if I want to delete an item from a particular index, so I will say del list1 0, 0 for apple, 1 for banana, and 2 for cherry, and 3 for mango. So I want to remove the element present at index 0, so I will say del list1 0. So we will print this list. So let's run this. So here the element present at index 0, that was apple, is now being removed, and now we only have the banana, cherry, and mango. So if I want to remove an element from other proper lists, we will say that we will use the pop method, and I want to remove the element present at index 3 using the pop method. So let's run this. So now I had apple, banana, and cherry, and mango in the list, and now if I use the pop method, so now the mango that was present at index 3 is now removed. This is my output, that is apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching us. Please take up some time to subscribe to our channel, kindly like the video and share with your friends, and comment your queries in the comment section below. Goodbye, see you soon.